Na niguo kuhotithia hori biacara gitaro-ini kia Afrika irathiro kuhota gutabania thogori na njira huthu, riu makamishna gutabarira honge cia ungania wa magoti gitaro-ini giki ni maunaniire njung'wana niguo gukinyaniria matua matiganite.
1. To develop a common customs management system to replace the independent systems in use at the individual states. This will enhance information sharing and help prevent cross-border fraud.
Kuringana na kamishna munene wigie ungania wa magoti guku bururi-ini John Njiraini, mamwe maundu maria maiguithaniirie ni hamwe na kugathika makinya maruru ma kuhitana na ngukumio, undu uyu kwigwetwo ari ta muhinga munene wa gukinyaniria uthii wa na mbere wa ngwataniro eno.
To enhance capacities to investigate and punish acts of corruption by employing more investigators and training them in forensic investigations. Secondly, to institute lifestyle audits and establish frameworks to transparently select cases for lifestyle audit interventions.
Undu ungi wiguithaniirio ni hamwe na kugia na mutaratara mwanduku wina utheri na wiyathite ukonia gutuithanagia ndugamano iria ikoragwo ikiyumiria mahinda kwa mahinda.
To further deepen the EAC common market, revenue authorities resolved to more boldly champion the domestic taxes harmonization agenda with a view to removing internal distortions to the free movement of labor and investment flows.
Ningi mabũrũri maya ni maiguithaniirie kugathika na kuhimbiria mutambo wa kiriu wa kwetukithia mirigo hamwe na gutabanio thuthuria wa uria uhoro wa kiguni ukonia ungania wa magoti uri koragwo gitabarirwo.
And even if you may fail to harmonize, for example, a tax rate, but do you have the same system of taxation across these countries?
I can assure you that by 1st July we should have a reviewed CET in place.
Harite na ria mbere ria mwaka uyu turi wa kigina, ungania wa magoti kuma gitaro-ini giki ni ukoretwo ambatirite na gatagati ga gicunjĩ gĩa 5.3 harĩ igana nginya gukinyaria gicunjĩ gĩa 17.8 harĩ igana.